Great to have you with us. The divisional playoffs. Packers with the Cowboys.
It ain't cold enough. It ain't cold enough today.
The weather, it's almost pleasant, 25 degrees.
We're warm. Get the job done. You gotta get some hot cocoa, man. It's gonna be a great day.
Ice goes in my hair.
Straight up. They right hard, ain't it? It look like you put some gel in there.
Just juices and berries.
A lot of things to be aware of, but ultimately it's football. Know it, catch it, make some plays. Nobody closer than us. Nobody work harder than we work. Nobody been through what we've been through. Let's finish the ride, man. Let's finish the fight. Set that tempo early, baby. Set that tempo early. Hey, they called us out. Let's just run. Run to it. Let's go. Right off the bat.
Hey, it's a run. It's a run. 100% run. Mike Daniels, run. Nope. I get down too, baby. Hey, he wasn't looking.
I know it. That's how you play fast, though. That's it. I just been hit on Romo just now.
Hey, someone tripped him up, and he was looking back, do, and he got his head down. I was coming.
They can't hold up. I don't think. They think they can. We just got to keep rolling like you're doing. Shoulders over toes, running, balance through the cuts.
Hey, get after him right now. Let's go. 3-and-out takeaway, fellas. 3-and-out takeaway.
Hey, he holding too long a couple times. Go.
Under pressure. He's hit in second. Ball came loose. It is Dallas football.
Let's go. Let's go.
Play action fake. Throws it to Clutch in the right flat for the Cowboys touchdown.
Strong safety came. That's why you were open. And the guy that would have had to cover you was rushing, and that's why you're open.
I just saw Matthews running wide, so.
He's the guy who would have had to cover you.
Romo back, they blitz up the middle. He throws right. Williams caught it, broke the tackle at the 30. Turns left 25. Getting the downfield block. He's going all the way. Touchdown. And the Cowboys have their first lead.
All right, now we got to stop him.
You agree with that?
As long as he's short, I'm good with it. Hey, I'll let you know after this next play. Hey, you gave him an extra link. Sometimes you need that.
Hand off Murray. And left guard. Touchdown, Cowboys. That's a big score.
Hey, that's what I'm talking about right there. Ride your ass. You ride your ass.
Dallas 21 and Green Bay 13.
Yo, there's no more substitution. You're good. You're good.
All right, get it out of my mind. All right, come back and just settle down. Settle down and play. Walk right. Go back, kitchen.
Difficult day thus far offensively for the Packers. So 3rd and 15.
Need this.
Shotgun formation. Rodgers backpedals now under some pressure. Steps up, throws it over the middle. Goes! 30. Turns upfield. 25. Cutting right to the 20. To the south end zone for the touchdown. Game on.
That's me. That's me.
I was trying to buy a little time, but I didn't think it was going to do all that.
Come on, man. We know how. It's right there. Just do what I'm telling you to do. It's going to work.
Hey, we got a lot of momentum now. Keep using it. Use it as fuel. Look, we got a whole quarter of football left to run. And we still not winning yet. Let's go, man.
Here's the snap on 1st and 10. And Rodgers escapes left. Throws the left side of the end zone. He's got it there. It is a touchdown. 13 yards to the lead.
He unmoved his eyes pretty good.
All right, our job, baby. This way you show you that right here. Let's go, baby.
It's coming.
I'm killing him, man.
He's setting it up. It's coming.
Hey, big stop here, D.
It's 4th and a very long 2 with under 5 minutes in the game.
This could be the game.
Blitz is coming. He throws a deep ball to the left side, and the ball is Bryant. Caught the ball and is dragged down at the 1.
A sensational catch. My goodness.
You're the baddest in the league. If we don't score here, you got to go do it again.
See if the Packers, they have thrown the challenge flag. What are they challenging?
Yeah, that's the Calvin Johnson ball. Yeah.
But he still hung on to it.
When they hit the ground,
Can't move.
They can't move.
It should be takedown.
Hit the ground and bounce up. We got to control it all the way through the 10.
Yeah, you got to control it.
Let's go! Let's go!
I'm trying to reach over the goal line. Like that's not a catch. I'm trying to reach over the goal line.
The officials hang on for the win. What a ball game.